We don't talk about the stapler. We use it. We abuse it. But we never ask the big question, where do the staples go? They go into the void. They hold two pieces of paper together, yes, but at what cost to their tiny metallic souls? Every staple is a one-way trip, a commitment to temporary structural integrity. The stapler, it's just the vessel, the cold, steel god demanding sacrifice. Think about it next time you connect a TPS report. You are ending a staple's journey. You are an agent of tiny bureaucratic fate. Refill it. Pay homage to the lost. Good work, buddy.